Hey everyone, in today's Facebook video, I want to show you how to turn on monetization on your Facebook page. So if you have a business page on Facebook or a creator page on Facebook and you get enough views on your videos, you could actually earn money. And all you have to do is go to that page and then go to the publishing tools right here. And from here, you could go to Creator Studio. Now on this page, on the left side of the page, there is a monetization tab. Click it. And this is basically the thresholds that you got to meet. Now, everybody can't just monetize Facebook videos. Same as YouTube, you have to hit a certain threshold. And last year I made this video and it looks like things have changed. So on this page, pick the Facebook page that you want to check if it's eligible to earn money on Facebook or not. So you see all my other pages are here and they're not eligible, but it looks like Howfinity is eligible. So let's look at some of these numbers here and what it means to be eligible. Let me go ahead and press view criteria here. So in my case, it says to do brand collaborations, I need to reach minimum of 1,000 followers. And it looks like I've done that. And it looks like I need one of these three items here too. Engagement. So it says 15,000 post engagement in the last 60 days. Minutes viewed. Again, in the last 60 days, this number of minutes have been viewed. And there is an option for 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. Now, again, check this for your own page. Facebook changes this all the time. I've made this video 3 times before, and each time these numbers have changed for me, and it might be different for your page and the type of content you make. But this is where you check if you're eligible or not, and if you're not, just keep working towards gaining more followers and building better engagement. And I create other videos describing how to do that. But let me come all the way down here so you could get a better view. The in-stream ads, those are the ads that basically come in the middle of a video. And those still require you to have 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views, which I do not have in this case. But I am eligible for a brand collab manager, so I'm eligible for this. And then you have subscription too, which you could learn more about over here. Let me press setup monetization. And then it brings me back to Facebook for Creators page here. And here I could see if I'm eligible or not. And brand collab manager I'm eligible for. But the in-stream ads I'm not yet eligible for. That did require 10,000 followers at the time that I'm recording this. So then you'll come down here and fill out the information on this page and then press submit. And the application has to be reviewed and you'll get an email with the next step. But that's the process of submitting for monetization. I just wanted to show you the latest numbers and show you that there are now different ways to monetize besides the regular in-stream ads. And it looks like I already got my application approved. Again, this is to do brand collaborations, which I also do on YouTube. So I could go ahead and press view tools on this email. And now I should have a new section again under the monetization tool for brand collab manager. So you could learn more about this in other videos. And you could still see this section for in-stream ads, which is what we want to work towards for reaching the eligibility requirement for getting these options here, which I don't have just yet. I hope you found this quick video useful and you could turn on monetization for your Facebook if you meet the eligibility. And I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.